Is to show you how to use Screencastify with Chromebooks in order to record a presentation. So I thought I would make a presentation in Screencastify to help you out. So what you need to do is you need to open the App Store, and whenever you go to the left side of your Chromebook, there's a key that looks like a magnifying glass, and when you press that, you're going to get this menu here. You will need to either type in App Store or in the all apps. It'll get you there. The next step will be to look for the extension called Screencastify. Once you get Screencastify as one of the items that populates here, it looks like this on your App Store, and you're going to need to add it to Chrome. Once you have added it to Chrome, it's going to prompt you about allowing it to have access things like your microphone, allowing it to work in conjunction with your drive. So continue through all the series of menus and making sure that Screencastify is allowed to work. You will know that you have it included in your Chrome and your device when you see this black film strip up here in the upper right hand corner. Um, it will remain there, and whenever you're ready to use it, you'll just simply tap on that black film strip. When you're ready to record, like I said, you're going to just tap on the button up here, and you will get these menus that appear. There are lots of features in here. You can choose to have a preview window, which is in the lower left-hand corner. You can choose to have your camera record you. Should you wish to embed the image, that's a selection that you can make here on the desktop tab. You can choose where you want your picture to show, whether it's in the top left, the bottom right, the top right, etc. Okay, and then whenever you are ready to start recording, you simply click the start recording that is in this orange menu. When you're finished, you do have to go back up to this black film strip with the red dot in it in order to get the video to stop. Well, after you have stopped recording, another menu will populate, and it'll look something like this. You will have, you'll see a scrub line on the bottom where you can press play and pause, and it'll tell you how much time you recorded. You'll have an option to delete your recording, and over here on the left side is a place to name your recording. So all the information is here, and you can see that this one was set up to record or to save to my drive. So I would, after I was finished recording this, I would call the recording something, and then when I'm ready to use the recording, I go into my drive, and there's a folder called Screencastify, and I would be able to find this particular recording there. You can then share the file that is in your drive just like you do any other file. It'll have sharing settings for getting the link and sharing to other people. And remember to set the access so that anyone with the link can view it. Okay, so that's a brief tutorial on how to use Screencastify. I hope it helped.